Hi, I'm Nicole. Here at Phone Ninjas, we train. We provide a multi-touchpoint, continuous, ongoing training method for the staff to provide a multitude of scenarios that arise on the phone. What is training? It's teaching, coaching, giving someone a better skill set. We're not just telling them to get contact information, we're showing them how to do it, and we're working with them to learn situationally. That's what training is. That is what we do. So how do we go about doing it? Well, the first thing is the team will get certified. They'll get certified with 7 inbound videos, 10 outbound videos, 10 objection handling videos, and then they'll take quizzes in each section. You can see here what it takes to become certified. You watch each of the videos, and then it'll tell you whether or not you're certified. When you watch one, at the conclusion of it, you'll see there's a test to take. You'll then take the test, and it's designed to be passed, but that's how you'll get certified. So that's the first piece of our process. Here's a slide to show what we do. It's ongoing and situational. So we'll hear a recording of one of your agents or one of your live calls, and we'll hit pause. We'll then answer the critical coaching, and then we'll hit play again. For example, if someone says, "Sales, this is Chris," we'll hit pause and say, "Great job for identifying yourself, but don't forget to say, 'Thank you for calling ABC Motors. This is Chris. How may I assist you today?'" So we'll not only show these examples, but they'll also receive it in writing, and they'll have an audio of it. So bite-sized pieces of highly impactful and fresh training that's easily implemented in real time. It starts with basic phone skills and progressively builds to more advanced situational objection handling scenarios. We build the foundation and continue to maintain such coaching by using real customer calls that we'd pull from the dealer's tracking provider for each agent. So when someone becomes certified, they'll have access to their dashboard like this. Do they need to go in here and access it? No, but if they want to, they can. It'll show every call, the score in that call, and where you were in each component of the call. So here's a call for someone named Lisa. There's a phone number and a date, and you'll also see the greeting score, the qualifying score, contact info score, appointment score, objection score, closure score, direction score, and total score. Then you'll see whether you've set an appointment. Also, you'll see a summary of what happened in writing on the call, and you can click here and listen to the call as well as hear the critical coaching inserted. You'll know whether or not you're certified. So if you click here, it'll take you back to certifications. Now, the last piece that you'll see is the score sheet, and it couldn't be any easier. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Did you thank them for calling? Yes or no? Did you use the dealership name? Did you use your first name? Did you ask, "How may I help you?" Did you use proper tone and inflection? It's pretty clear stated. This either happened or it did not happen. We make it easy and understandable. Again, the 4 cornerstone of our approach is knowledge, knowing what to say, skill, knowing when to say it, consistency, forming positive habits that become second nature, and confidence, believing in oneself. That is what we're teaching in our approaching method. Knowledge, skill, consistency, and confidence. Knowledge is knowing what to say, and skill is knowing when to say it. And of course, with practice, you'll know what to say, when to say it, and how to say it. That's the added benefit of our ongoing and active coaching method. So beyond that, you'll find the emails that get sent out when we coach one of your calls. Here's one example. We've just coached one of your calls. This is your score. Everything is out of 5. You're going to want to strive for 5. You'll click the link and it'll take you to your call, and you'll see the summary of the call. You'll also see where you were certified and where you were not certified on that call. Now, you'll also have your coach's information. Who coached the call? You can email, call, or text, and when you click on it, it'll take you right to that specific call, right to the audio file, and even the score sheet. You'll see here this call has already been reviewed, and we know this because somewhere in the audio file toward the end, remember you can't rewind or fast forward, but somewhere in the audio file there's a code word. Someone will say something like, "Your code word is skill," S-K-I-L-L, skill. You have to hear it and you have to enter it. And if you miss it, you have to listen to the whole call again. So that's how we really focus on making sure these calls are actually listened to. Then, when you have your monthly one-on-one with your coach, they'll review your dashboard, they'll review the calls, and they'll identify any potential trends. Were you having problems? Were you repeatedly going in and not accomplishing something? Where is the trend? For example, here's a trend, let's work on closure. Things of this sort. So that's how a sales, parts, or service agent would use Phone Ninjas. We're looking forward to talking with you soon.